Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will first verify proper authority and create recovery options. Make sure you have an administrator account and a recent backup so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once done, review company policy or Windows licensing constraints because disabling protection can breach policy. Prepare a restore point or full image. This protects you if the system becomes unstable. Finally, log the reason and obtain approval from IT where required, so you can proceed responsibly without unexpected consequences. Now assess the specific need and select safer options before altering system protections. Determine whether configuring exclusions, using a reputable third-party product, or changing settings via official management tools meets the goal. Often that avoids full service removal. Make a clear rollback plan including restore media and timestamps, and document affected services and dependencies. If this is for testing, isolate the machine on a private network. Make sure approvals and change tickets are in place before making system level. Complete only the changes that were approved and follow the rollback plan immediately after verification. Monitor logs and network behavior closely for anomalies and make sure you can restore the original state quickly. That is your primary safety net. If something fails, stop further changes, restore from your image or system restore point, and escalate to vendor or corporate IT for deeper troubleshooting. Remember, avoiding irreversible actions and keeping communication open prevents most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.